Hi, today we are going to unbox Tefal Easy Fryer. I'll show you the model right there. It's made in China. What's consumption? Let's open and see what we have inside. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to show you what's up here. It's a grill. It's not very heavy. Now we are going to try to open this. Okay, so we have this, and this is pretty heavy. Okay, to turn it with the front face. Okay, a lot of protection. You simply just drag it. This is not very heavy. The back. So here you can put, if you like, you put like this for fish, and on the other side for other food. I think it's one of those resistant heat rubbers. Don't know how you make grill with that. Okay, so I will show you the inside now. The resistor, it's up there, if you can spot it. There's a vent. Well, ventilation comes through the back. And let's turn it back. This is very easy to use. It's for not with the digital buttons. This is timing, 60 minutes max. On here we have some wheel for the 200 degree, so you can pick up from 80 to 200. Now we have some examples here, so you don't have to look every time the manual. We're going to give it a try. Let me just put the... I think it doesn't start without this. So we are going to plug it in. So let's say we pick only 80 for the start. Don't want it to damage. Let's pick some... Of course, this is too much. They say it stops when you remove it. So let's try to... You see? But the timer is still clicking. So when you put it back, this will start. And I say it's pretty easy to use. Hope you enjoy it and give a like or subscribe to my channel.